Let's be honest. If you're watching this, there's a 93% chance you just wrapped up a design project that's going to feel outdated by next July. Welcome to UI UX in 2026, where micro-interactions are making a bold comeback and design is evolving faster than ever. This isn't another list of gradients and pneumophoric buttons. Nope. Today, we're diving into the real shifts in UI UX that will actually change the way we design digital experiences in 2026. Designers are no longer pixel pushers. Instead, we're strategists, guiding AI with prompts like, make this flow 20% more Gen Alpha friendly. 1. AI First Design. First up, AI First Design. We've all heard the hype before. Back in 2024, AI's design attempts looked like a sleep-deprived intern's mock-up. By 2025, it got better, but still felt like cutting corners. Now in 2026, the game has changed. AI isn't tagging along anymore. It's a real design collaborator, one that never complains about revisions. Tools like Galileo, USARD, and even Figma's newest acquisitions are producing polished, functional designs. Designers are no longer pixel pushers. Instead, we're strategists, guiding AI with prompts like, make this flow 20% more Gen Alpha friendly. Tip: treat AI like your junior designer. Guide it, correct it. Don't let it run wild, or you'll end up with a 6-step onboarding for a calculator. 2. The rise of Zero UI. Next, Zero UI. Starting with a blank canvas? That's so 2025. In 2026, the best interface might be no interface at all. We're talking voice commands, hand gestures, presence sensing, even interfaces that adapt before you speak. Your fridge might restock your milk before you notice. Your car might adjust your seat when it recognizes you. Tip: don't just prototype screens. Prototype real-world experts. The worldwide experts are better than we will ever have. 3. Hyper-personalization with boundaries. By now, nobody wants generic. Users expect apps to know their habits, moods, and preferences. But here's the catch. Hyper-personalization must respect privacy. The sweet spot is when interfaces feel tailor-made without feeling like surveillance. Tip: give users control over personalization. Make it fun, not creepy. And never lock features behind data walls. 4. Scroll is dead. Long live scroll. Scrolling isn't going away. It's just growing up. In 2026, the scroll isn't just about moving through content. It's about storytelling. With smooth transitions, animations, and intelligent snap points, scroll feels more like a journey than a habit. Tip: always test scroll behaviors across devices. What feels elegant on a MacBook might feel chaotic on a $99 Android tablet. 5. Voice interfaces go mainstream. Remember when you had to talk to Alexa like a robot? Those days are gone. In 2026, voice interfaces are finally natural. Apps, cars, wearables, and smart homes all respond like real conversations. Tip: not every app needs to shout. Design intentional, quiet voice, comedy, and fate. Ask for what is first instant. 6. Designing for neurodiversity. Accessibility has leveled up. In 2026, it's not just about color contrast or screen readers. It's about cognitive inclusion. That means designing with ADHD, autism, dyslexia, and different focus needs in mind. Interfaces are becoming calmer, customizable, and less overwhelming. Tip: don't just add an accessibility mode. Bake inclusive design into the foundation. 7. Anti-Design 2.0. Design perfection is out. Anti-Design 2.0 is in. It's messy, it's bold, it breaks rules with purpose. Clashing colors, oversized buttons, overlapping text, and somehow it works. Tip: use this trend wisely. It's fun on portfolios or creative sites. Maybe not so much on your banking app. 8. Interfaces with a sense of humor. By 2026, even your banking app might crack a joke. Interfaces are becoming more human, with witty microcopy and playful animations. Little surprises that make you smile, even in error screens. Tip: humor is great, but don't overdo it. Aim for personality, not stand-up comedy. 9. 3D and spatial design. With Apple Vision Pro and Meta Quest leading the way, spatial design is everywhere. But here's the twist: you don't need VR to use it. 3D cards, AR previews, layered interactions. Flat UI is evolving into tactile, responsive design. Tip: think like an architect. Design spaces, not just screens. But remember, smooth 2D beats laggy 3D any day. Then, designing with the planet in mind. Finally, eco-conscious design. In 2026, users care about sustainability, even in digital products. Lightweight UIs, low bandwidth modes, and battery-friendly apps aren't just performance perks. They're ethical choices. Tip: don't greenwash. Just build efficient, fast apps. Users and the planet will thank you. So, what's the big takeaway? UI UX in 2026 isn't just about pretty pixels. It's about intelligence, empathy, inclusivity, and even humor. The best designs will adapt, surprise, and respect users, while feeling almost invisible. So next time you're stressing over whether that corner radius should be 8px or 12px, zoom out. Focus on the bigger picture. Because in 2026, it's not just design, it's experience.